All right, MyEcon Income Shifting Membership Review 2025 Day 2 video, and today we're going to be looking at MyEcon W-4 correction training and how to correct your W-4 form and why you want to correct your W-4 form if you have a 9-to-5 job. Now, this is one of the first things that I did when I joined MyEcon, and it actually put up to $400 per month back into my pocket without me asking my boss for a raise. And you know, trying to get a raise on your job, especially if you worked in a factory like I do, you can't just simply walk into the office, ask your boss for a raise, because you're doing the same thing. Depending upon what department you're in, you're doing the same thing everybody else does. So you get a raise when everybody else get a raise, and pretty much everybody get the same amount of raise. But that depends upon, you know, whatever level or position that you're in inside of the factory, or whatever job that it is that you're doing. But I'm going to show you in this video why you should correct your W-4 form if you have a 9-to-5 job. And the main reason is you're able to give yourself a 10 to 15% pay raise that you can use to start eliminating debt starting this year. So what I want to do right now is going to drop down in this corner, and we're going to start off with in MyEcon back office, showing you how to, you know, what you're going to get when you join MyEcon. And then I'm going to show you some of the reasons why you want to do this according to the IRS. So with that being said, let's get started right now. All right, so here I am inside of MyEcon's back office, and we're going to be looking at the correct form W-4. We're going to correct a W-4 form. Now, MyEcon walks you step by step how to do this, and why you should do this, as I mentioned before, is that you want to give yourself a raise, especially if you're working a job. You don't want to ask your boss. You don't have to ask your boss. This is your right to do this simply by correcting your W-4 form, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. But let's go just kind of walk through what we're looking at here in the back office of MyEcon. Now, MyEcon, the reason we're doing this with the W-4 form is to increase your take-home pay. This is the introduction video. You want to watch this video once you click the link in the description to join MyEcon, because as I said before, you can make money in MyEcon, okay, without even promoting a business opportunity. And this is just one of the ways that you can do that without you even talking to one person, a single person. You can give yourself a 10 to 15% pay raise right inside of your paycheck, and you didn't have to talk to a single person. Now, after you do this and it works for you, you may be wanting to talk to other people. You may feel the need to talk to other people, your other coworkers, and let them know, hey, I found a strategy of giving myself a raise, and I didn't have to go in there and ask the man for this raise. You can share that with them, and then share your affiliate MyEcon affiliate link with them, showing them the steps that you have taken. Okay, so you're going to watch the introduction video, and then you're going to watch the employee withholding video here, how to correctly do your W-4 form, because there are some things on your W-4 form that you need to correct because you're having too much taxes taken out of your check. If you are getting a refund at the end of the year, you're having too much taxes taken out of your check. The IRS, the government, Uncle Sam, call it what you want, they are using your money to invest and getting returned back on that money. After they use your money, they give you a refund, and you don't get all of the money back that you get a refund for. So you're getting a refund for loaning them your money that you don't get any interest on. They do that. So you want to watch this 20-minute almost 21-minute video walking you step by step through the training, exactly what you need to do and how you're going to do it. And I'm going to show you how to get the W-4 form in this video, because now is the time to turn this into your employee, especially with, you know, you're going back to work now and you probably haven't gotten a paycheck yet, but you're getting ready to get one here, you know, maybe in a week or so, or at the end of the month, you're ready to get a paycheck. If you can get this done, okay, you're going to be set when you look at that paycheck and see a difference, how you have given yourself a raise because you took the initiative and took it upon yourself to fill out your W-4 form the correct way. And not only that, you're going to be walking out of there smiling while everybody else is complaining about how much taxes is taken out of their check, then you're going to be the one like, yeah, I know I could do this, and you can share this information with somebody else. So you're going to watch this video. So now let's just head over to the IRS Withholding Estimator. It said when to check your withholding, check your tax withholding every year, especially when you have a major life change, new job or other paid work, major income change, marriage, childbirth, adoption, home purchase. If you change your tax withholding mid-year, check your tax withholding at the end of the year and adjust as needed with the new W-4. If you have a question, you can ask your tax advisor, okay? So why do you want to check your withholding? There are several reasons, okay, to check your withholding. It can protect you against having too little taxes withheld and facing unexpected tax bill or penalty at tax time next year. And it can let you adjust your tax withheld up front, so you receive a bigger paycheck and smaller refund at tax time. So that is the goal. The goal is to have you having a bigger paycheck throughout the year, so you have more money in your pocket in the year instead of struggling all year long. But yet the goal is also to help you get a smaller refund where you're not having to have to pay the government back, because we know that there's companies like Amazon, Netflix, and all of those companies, they don't pay any taxes. And you can go look up that, on here on Google, in a way, companies, Fortune 500 companies that didn't pay any taxes, and you'll be surprised. And we're trying to get you to that same position where you're earning more money coming into your pocket, into your household, and still getting a refund at the end of the year. That's one of the goals of MyEcon, is to put more money back into your pocket. So next we're going to look at what else the IRS says, okay? Let me see if I can zoom in on this. If you see this right here, taxes are generally paid throughout the year, whether from salary withholding, quarterly estimated tax payment, or a combination of both. Watch this. About 70% of taxpayers, however, withhold too much taxes every year. This typically results in a refund, and the average refund in 2022 is just under $3,000. So the IRS is telling you that you are overpaying in taxes if you don't have your W-4 form filled out the correct way. And MyEcon shows you how to do that correct way, so you can get a bigger paycheck and get a refund, hopefully a refund at the end of the year. And you don't have to ask your boss, you don't have to get permission from anybody to give yourself this rate, not the IRS, not your boss, neither one of those. So you don't have to do that, okay? So that's just all it is to it. So you see that. Now, how do you get your W-4 form? What you want to do is just come over here to your best friend Google, type in 2025 W-4 tax withholding. It's going to pull up this website right here. Once you click on this page right here, or on this link, it's going to open up this page right here. This is a W-4 form for 2025. You're simply going to fill out your information here like you normally do. Fill out this information, everything you need to fill here out. Just follow the steps, okay? Now, you can do this on your own, or you can come back and follow this video here, which you're going to have access to once you join MyEcon. And you're going to fill out this form the correct way, because as a W-2 employee, this is where you stop on this form right here as a W-2 employee. When you are a business owner, you get to come down to another section where you can fill out other things that gives you more deductions, that has you paying less in taxes in your out of your paycheck. Okay, so you get to fill out this form right here, and don't worry if you never filled this out before down here. Don't worry about that. That's what this video is for, to walk you step by step. I highly recommend that you print off this form. Okay, if you have a printer at home, or go to the library, wherever you need to go, print off this form. Print off at least 2 copies of it, okay? Because, that give you the opportunity to go back and, make some adjustments if you make a mistake. Do a pencil with one if you want to, however you want to do it, and then come back in and fill in the information correctly with a pen, okay? But you're going to download this form, print it off, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to follow this video step by step. Once you have done that, you're going to turn that in to your HR. Once you have done that, that's all you need to do. The next thing you want to do is wait till your paycheck come and see the difference between what you were paying in taxes to what you may be paying less in taxes. Now, as I said before, this can add anywhere from 10 to 15% back into your paycheck. I know this works because I've done it. I'm still doing it, and it's still working for me right now, adding up to an extra $400 per month back into my paycheck without me overpaying in taxes, and still get a small refund. Okay, when you get your taxes done professionally, which you can get that done inside of MyEcon too, you're going to get the maximum benefits by getting it done by a professional instead of you trying to do it yourself. Okay, so that's it. So let's just kind of go through this again. You're going to come into MyEcon in the BMC home. You're going to come to the correct your W4 form. It's going to open up this page. Watch this video. Make sure you download this form here by going to Google. Okay, download the form here, print it off. Okay, get your 2 copies, 1 copy, however, just fill in this information following this exact training right here. That's going to help you put up to 10 to 15% more back into your pocket, where you can start using now, for debt elimination purposes. Now, when you join MyEcon as a just for the membership, that you don't have to do the business opportunity. But if you're going to fill out this section down here that other people cannot fill out, then you want to be an affiliate for MyEcon. Now, with MyEcon and any other business opportunity that you're in, the IRS does not require you to make a profit. You just have to attempt to make a profit. Those are some other things that MyEcon teaches you that other people don't teach you, or that other business opportunities does not teach you. So I can see you working MyEcon to better your finances, to get your finances straight. So in order to do that, just click the link in the description. Okay, as I said before, why you want to check it, it can let you adjust your tax withheld up front, so you can receive a bigger paycheck and a smaller refund at tax time. Okay, don't be one of the 70% overpaying in taxes. Join MyEcon. Okay, download this form, print out this form, fill out this form, turn it into HR. Now, when you join me in MyEcon, you're going to join at the elite business opportunity level. Okay, and with the elite business opportunity level, you're going to get access to everything you see here. So let me see if I can come in. If I go to my products, everything that you see here, you're going to get access to starting today with the elite membership, okay, which is $99.95, and then it's going to be only $59 per month. Okay, and as an affiliate, you get to earn $70 up front per person that you share the elite membership with, business membership with as well. Okay, so that's what you're going to get. You're going to get everything you see here: credit, travel, Defender Plus, debt elimination, minimizing taxes, cash flow manager, cash flow strategist, and some other tools and things that you're going to get access to here as well. Plus, as a bonus, I'm going to give you a free marketing system with everything you need, over $10,000 worth of products in here. Okay, you're going to set up your links, everything you need here. You're going to start promoting. You're going to have your membership, everything you need to do in your membership is going to walk you through here. Okay, what to send people who you introduce this to, the vault, and over, another $1,000 or so worth of bonuses are here that you're going to get access to. All of this total together is over $10,900 worth of bonuses that you're getting access to. So if you're ready to correct your W4 form, do it the correct way, click that link in the description below. Okay, you're going to go to my website, pick your plan. Okay, there are going to be some different plans on there. Pick the plan, but I highly recommend that you come in with the elite membership. Go through the process, fill out the form. Once you get that done, you'll be ready to go. You're going to come to this page right here. You're going to see my name. You're going to Put in the applicant information, going to put in your shipping address, your phone number, and then you're going to put your initials here. You're going to see everything that you're getting right here with the elite membership. Okay, there's no coupon code. You're going to give yourself a username, whatever username you choose to use. Choose a password and then continue, and that's where you're going to put in your payment detail. So if you're ready to give yourself a raise without asking your boss, this MyEcon income shifting membership, okay, is for you, because there's some other things that you can do to increase your finances, put more money back into your pocket. So click that link that's in the description. I look forward to working with you. My contact information will be above. Send me a text message. With that being said, subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.